Hey, what's good, everyone? Just got these in, and I have to admit, I neither have the time nor the energy to do a proper review. This is gonna be real quick. I haven't bought a sneaker in 4 months, and I'm picking something up, and I'm getting something like this, and this is really, really annoying me and makes me lose all the fun in sneakers. This is the New Balance Aimé Leon Dore BB 650 RG1 collaboration with Aimé Leon Dore. I already have the white gray pair, which I think is awesome. These remind me a lot of the Nike SB Jordan 4, same colorway, also gum bottom, which I really, really like. And I do think these can stand out on their own. So even if I would have bought them even if the Nike SB didn't exist. Because these are really looking awesome. I love the mesh here at the heel and on the New Balance, and also the mesh on the tongue. I was picking these up because I wanted a high top for the summertime, and this is just a great option for that with all the mesh on the shoe. But there are three things that are letting me down here. First is sizing of these two is different. The left one is a little bit longer than the right one, and I think that shouldn't happen. This is something that pisses me off the most. I can't stand that. So first thing. Second thing is the right shoe here has some stupid creasing on the toe box, which I do not like at all. The left one is fine, so it shouldn't happen. I hate that. It looks stupid on the toe. It looks like it's been worn for a couple of years or something, or someone stepped on your toes. Not a good look in my opinion. And the third thing is that material. It does look nice on pictures. It is soft after all, I have to admit that, but that coating that they slap here onto the shoe reminds me a lot of the wannabe premium material that Nike is sporting as well, and it is as thin as cellophane. And I'm sure if you're gonna hit a curb, you're gonna get scratches really easily, and it's not worth it to me. These are $170. I'm not sure if these go onto a discount on the website after some time or so, because usually the collaborations on the New Balance website do not go on sale, at least to my experience. $170 is too much for them, definitely. With all these three issues that I have, I'm definitely gonna return them. So if you're going to be able to find a pair that has none of these issues and you're willing to spend $170, then go for it. But these are going back, definitely. Not sure if I'm going to have some on-fit pictures, definitely not outside. So maybe I'm going to see you in another 4 months with another review, who knows. Currently, I invest my money in other things and not in sneakers. And like I said, stuff like this is a little bit of a letdown. It's taken away the fun of sneakers, and I have way too many sneakers to bother with stuff like this. So, who cares? Just a sneaker. So, thanks for watching. I hope I'm gonna see you next time. Until then, bye-bye.